Here we come to the elevator at the Cheesecake Factory at the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. Unfortunately, I really do not know what brand this elevator is, but it's got an interesting side door, as you can see right there. All right, we're gonna head down to 1 and 1S. It's got Adams fixtures. You can't tell which one's door closed. The buttons are mismatched. I'm sure you guys still remember this elevator. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Watch both doors open. Nice. All right, up to 2. Watch both doors close. And we'll listen to the motor going up. Let's start with a big jolt. We're gonna go and watch it close. Anyways, there it goes. And that will be it.